For 70 years, White Cat, with its craftsmanship, has created many firsts in China's home care industry. China's first pack of laundry detergent, the first spray drying tower, and the first 10,000-ton dishwashing liquid production line. But the tide of the times never stops. Channels are fragmenting, demands are diversifying, price wars are intensifying. How can the time-honored brand break through this situation? In 2017, White Cat joined hands with NielsenIQ to reshape its growth logic with data. Over 8 years, dishwashing liquid sales grew by $120 million USD, and the laundry category surpassed $30 million USD, making it a benchmark for Chinese brand transformation.
Mr. Yu, thank you very much for this opportunity to communicate today. In fact, tracing back to 2017, NielsenIQ and White Cat began our cooperation. So, I'd like to ask, what were the needs at that time that led to this cooperation?
White Cat is a known Shanghai brand, a time-honored Chinese brand. We have always adhered to a steady path of development. We concentrate our limited resources on product development and quality improvement. Of course, we also know that timely understanding of the market and consumers is crucial. NielsenIQ data can help us understand the market well, understand our consumers, and understand our competitors. Therefore, it helps us achieve more precise marketing, more precise distribution, and a better grasp of the market pulse.
I'd also like to understand which aspects has NielsenIQ's retail research data helped with White Cat's internal digital transformation?
White Cat is a heavy user of NielsenIQ data. We conduct corresponding analysis based on the data provided by NielsenIQ. On one hand, it guides the implementation of our product strategy. For example, through recent insights from NielsenIQ data, we discovered that consumers are paying more attention to health-related needs. Consumers place greater importance on functions like disinfection and sterilization. Based on this discovery, we developed and launched our new product in the last 2 years. Lactic acid bacteria, inhibiting dishwashing liquid, which features disinfection as its key function point, and it has achieved relatively good results. Additionally, regarding channel strategy, we observe which channels we should focus on based on the channel structure revealed by NielsenIQ data. For example, grocery is a very important channel for our category, carrying significant weight. Therefore, we have also concentrated a lot of marketing resources and distribution resources there. This has helped us achieve very good results in the grocery channel, improving our sales performance and market share.
During the 8 years of cooperation with NielsenIQ, White Cat achieved an increase of $120 million USD in dishwashing liquid and $30 million USD in laundry powder. White Cat achieved double-digit sales growth in the grocery channel.
We also know that within the broader transformation of China's retail industry, online channels are becoming increasingly important, especially for family care categories. In fact, White Cat and NielsenIQ also cooperate on online data. So, how is the online data currently being used? What roles does it play within White Cat?
The changes in the domestic market are happening very rapidly. More and more new platform channels are emerging. NielsenIQ can help provide us with a holistic perspective. It can provide integrated data from online, offline, and various emerging platforms, enabling us to gain more comprehensive insights. Based on NielsenIQ's Omnichannel data, we have formulated corresponding differentiated channel strategies. For example, online channels focus more on price competition. Therefore, we mainly promote price-sensitive products online. Meanwhile, offline we focus more on our high-margin products, offering offline consumers more differentiated new products, while maintaining relatively good prices and trade margins. Additionally, NielsenIQ's e-commerce data enables White Cat to deeply analyze competitor strategies. From market positioning to product design, it helps us quickly capture changing trends and formulate precise competitive response strategies.
Facing rising offline costs, White Cat uses NielsenIQ data at the link, create a closed-loop strategy by generating hype online and executing offline activations. validating demand through e-commerce bestsellers, then repackaging the proven concept into a full narrative for traditional channels, achieving optimal resource allocation.
Mr. Yu just mentioned the word holistic. We deeply resonate with this concept. At NielsenIQ, we noticed about a decade ago, in the broader consumer environment, consumers were becoming more fragmented and channels more diversified. Focusing only on the immediate, visible channels we already had was far from sufficient. Therefore, NielsenIQ have been emphasizing the concept of the full view in recent years. We've upgraded our product accordingly, launching our Omnichannel data. So, what are the benefits of this data? Compared to the companies purchasing offline and online data separately, NielsenIQ integrates data across the entire panorama. From the 3 dimensions of consumer, product, and channel, it enables tailored strategies for each city, each channel, even each store. Then, I'd like to ask Mr. Yu, regarding future cooperation between NielsenIQ and WhiteCat's, in which more areas can we help a time-honored brand like WhiteCat achieve better development?
In recent years, the changes in the domestic retail industry have been extremely intense. Some new emerging channels are constantly emerging, and others fade away. We, as a traditional family care company, must keep up and seize every opportunity for change. Therefore, we hope to leverage more of NielsenIQ's capabilities. For example, the recently popular new formats like distributor alliances, snack discount stores, etc. For these emerging channels, we hope to obtain more timely data support to help us flexibly adjust our product strategy. Simultaneously, WhiteCat hopes to leverage our R&D strengths to continue exploring overseas market opportunities and forge a true path for brand globalization. We hope that throughout these processes, NielsenIQ can be WhiteCat's decision-making compass.
WhiteCat's data growth over 8 years proves grasping consumer trends, channel changes, and product innovation enables sustained growth in volatile markets. NielsenIQ provides omnichannel data solutions, covering scenarios like online, offline, O2O, and snack stores. In the future, it will empower brands with greater speed and finer granularity.
For 70 years, WhiteCat's mission has never changed, guarding the health shortcut for Chinese families. WhiteCat and NielsenIQ are not just business partners, but companies of the times.
We look forward to continuing and deepening our strategic cooperation with NielsenIQ, enabling a traditional brand like WhiteCat to remain consumers' first choice in the digital era.